In this chapter, I'm going to discuss indoor photography. One of the most important things to control in any photography is light. And when you're indoors, there are three things that you're going to think about. You want to think about natural light, you want to think about artificial light, and you also want to know when and how you should use your flash. When shooting indoors, you want to look for and make use of natural light. A window is a really great source. Have your subject sit off to the side of the window so that the light creates some really nice modeling on your subject, and it's a really nice composition. You want to be careful though about shooting in front of a window, because if your camera auto exposes for the outside, you're going to end up with a silhouette for your subject. This is a condition or a time when you want to have your camera force the flash so it fills for the subject. Indoor photography commonly is taken at nighttime for parties or family gatherings, and even in a well-lit room, it's still a lot darker than natural light, and so you're likely going to have your flash want to go off when it's set on auto. You may want to increase the camera's ISO or sensitivity so that it reduces the likelihood of the flash going off, because flash photography can often really flatten out your subjects, so you might want to turn it off. Also, if the flash is going to fire, you can move back and maybe use the telephoto on your lens so that the flash won't have such a harsh effect on your subject. So you can see the camera right now taking automatic readings for focus and exposure. And when you're at a party situation where you're trying to capture candid expressions, those few precious moments lost can sometimes be the difference between an awesome photo and one that's just kind of weird. A good party photographer anticipates the action and has the camera pre-focus and expose while they wait for the perfect shot.